If you are using Lightspeed, then you know how difficult it is to find good host, whether it is shared hosting or managed VPS. And in this video, you'll see one of the best Lightspeed shared hosting that I've found from my research. Now, if you are not using Lightspeed, then feel free to entirely skip this video or watch it for your own curiosity. Now, why did I choose No-Frills Cloud? First, which is obvious, the Lightspeed web server, which is so rare to find among other shared hosting companies. Every other hosting is still stuck with Apache or Nginx, Apache with the Nginx as reverse proxy and so on. So you always want to go with Lightspeed for obvious speed benefits. Second, this can actually be a cons for some people but a pro for some people. So I'm just gonna share it and you decide whether it's a pro for you or a cons for you, because they have cPanel. Now I know every other shared hosting has cPanel or have some kind of a modded cPanel which they white label, and cPanel is actually very good for those who have lived their entire lives using cPanel, and thus it is familiar and easier for them to use. And I'm not sure which is better, because personally I like to use my own VPS, so I use CyberPanel there, and this is another reason why I love hosting on my own VPS, because I get to choose so many options like CyberPanel, Plesk, RunCloud and blah blah blah. Third, and very important, you get Immunify 360 license for free for all of your websites in No-Frills Cloud. I'll have a video on this in the future on how important it is to have a real-time anti-malware for your shared hosting or your VPS, and my video will also cover which ones you should consider. But to give you a little sneak peek, Immunify is on the list, so please subscribe if you want to watch that video. It also has an amazing web firewall, WAF, which protects against sensitive customer data, block unauthorized access and prevent SQL injection and cross-site scripting, that is XSS. So getting it for free is another reason why I'm going with No-Frills Cloud rather than other shared hosting providers. Some quick bonus features here. Number one, No-Frills Cloud doesn't give Let's Encrypt but gives Komodo SSL. But again, it's not a big deal because I use my own SSL that I get from Quick CDN, or you can use Cloudflare CDN to issue your own free SSL. Second bonus fact is that support seems to be very good so far, with instantaneous responses and more importantly not copy paste canned responses. And I love any company whose support is very good. This will also be good for those non-techies who rely on a very good support from a shared hosting company if something goes haywire on their website. Personally, I don't need to use any host support because I host all my websites on my own VPS, as I told you before. But I wanted to compare No-Frills Cloud with other shared hosting providers who are also providing Lightspeed web servers to see which one is giving you the most bang for your buck. So we will be comparing the features of No-Frills Cloud with other shared hosting providers that are providing Lightspeed web server. So let's see. So we are on the A2 hosting site now. And as you can see, this is their Lightspeed web server solution, and I don't know why they have so much confusion going on here. WordPress hosting, shared hosting, and then they had one called Varnish hosting, then Lightspeed hosting, but these all fall under the same category. I'll show you in a moment. In fact, our turbo servers featuring Lightspeed hosting perform 20x faster page loads compared to traditional hosting solutions. Hang on. So wait, let me go to shared hosting and show you, and it seems only plans from Turbo Boost and above will have Lightspeed and others will have, I don't know, Apache maybe. So it only starts with $4.99 and then $9.99 for the upper plan. Alright, so now we are in Hostinger, and as you can see they start with $1.39 a month, but this plan makes much more sense to have 100 websites hosted. And let's skip it and let's go to this section where I click learn more, and let's see what they say. So it seems that they provide global data centers among 7 different regions, but I don't know if they will let you choose the data centers. And they are using hPanel, which is a modded version of the cPanel. And guess what? They also use this term turbocharge. They do say WAF on every server, but they don't say which WAF, what WAF service are they providing. For data centers, it seems they are only providing on US and NL, and I don't know what NL is. Can you let me know in the comments, guys? And they are using cPanel, and they seem to be using their own security shield for protection, and they don't declare what type of security shield it is or what service are they providing. So I don't like this type of transparency here. But if you have used NameHero or A2 or Hostinger, then do let me know in the comments about your experience, because I really want to know how they perform, because I haven't tested these. So let's now go to the No Frills Cloud website and see what they offer. So one thing you may have noticed on No Frills Cloud website, that they clearly mention what they are using at the very front of the website. So they say that they are using Lightspeed, cPanel, they are using Amazon Web Services and DigitalOcean and Linode, and they are using Immunify 360 Cloud Linux, while A2 Hosting, NameHero and Hostinger all say NVMe, SSD, and nobody actually tells what cloud provider they are using. So this is something I really liked about No Frills Cloud, that they are so transparent in telling you what they're using. So let's look at their Hypercharged Cloud Hosting, which is actually their shared hosting. So as you can already tell that the price of No Frills Cloud is on the higher side compared to A2 Hosting, providing in 4.99, Hostinger providing in 2.59, but a lot of things are not here, so I'll just choose their 4.99 plan because of its limitations. And then we have NameHero, which is actually providing 2 GB RAM here and all that at $518 per month, whereas for 10 cPanel accounts you would need to pay $9.99. So 10 cPanel accounts does not mean 10 websites. These just mean that you will have 10 separate cPanel accounts. When I signed up for No Frills Cloud, I just hosted all the sites under one cPanel account because that's what I prefer. But you can have 10 different cPanel accounts if you want to host your client's websites and you want your client to have their own cPanel account. And here they tell us to use Quick.Cloud CDN. I very much like it because that's the CDN that I use. I don't use Cloudflare, I use Quick.Cloud, and it is free, by the way, you can check it out, and it works flawlessly with Lightspeed Cache plugin. And they tell us that they use Immunify 360, which again, by the way guys, Immunify 360 has a $5 per website on their website if you want to see, and it is per website. So if you have 10 websites it will cost you $50, but here you get it for free. I personally use Immunify AV Plus, which is a lower plan, but it gives me $6 per month for all of the websites, but it does not give all the features of Immunify 360, because Immunify 360 is their premium plan that Cloud Linux provides you. But one negative cons I found here in No Frills Cloud is that Immunify 360 you won't really get all the features that you get in Immunify 360. So I'm not gonna explain much in detail about that, but yes, you do not get all the features in Immunify 360 because they don't give you the main user account of Immunify 360, but you do get proactive detection. So that's absolutely fine, because most of the users that are using shared hosting like these actually are not that techies and are non-techies, so they wouldn't want to micromanage everything and would prefer, if they want Immunify 360 to do all their work, scanning and removing malware once it finds it. One more thing I like about this is that since they use Lightspeed Enterprise version, so you get 10 GB of free CDN quota in Quick.Cloud CDN. In A2 hosting, you only get to choose USA, Europe and Singapore as your servers. In Hostinger, you can choose UK, US, Brazil, Netherlands, Singapore, Indonesia and Lithuania. So I like that Hostinger has a lot of data center options. In NameHero, you only get 2, and in No Frills Cloud, you get North America, Asia Pacific, Oceania, Europe and South Asia. Personally, after evaluating everything, I wouldn't go with A2 hosting. You can go with Hostinger or NameHero, but as I said before, you are getting a much better value in No Frills Cloud, because guys, you are hosting your website and you want absolute security, guys, the transparency that NoFrills Cloud is giving is absolutely fantastic. And I really wouldn't host any serious websites with any provider that hides the information. Of course I would go to support and then ask them what stack they are using, what technology they are using, but I really believe these information should be there on the front page. Also, the fact that NoFrills Cloud is providing Immunify 360 to all websites hosted on their servers, it's amazing. That's the best value you can get out of all the shared hosting providers like Hostinger and NameHero. And this is why the plan is slightly on the higher side. This is $9.99 and this is 7.98, 5.18 and 2.29. One more thing, actually, this 2.29, this is, I think this is for the first month because it says 5.99 when you renew. So I clicked on the button to buy and it seems 2.59 is for 48 months, not 12 months but 48 months. That's 4 years. So you gotta pay 12 months in advance to get 5.99. Otherwise, for 1 month you'll have to pay 10.29 with a 4.99 setup fee. I am closing this browser tab immediately. That was crazy, man. Now with NameHero, let's order this 5.18 plan. Alright, so we kind of see the same thing here. With 3 years plan you get 5.18, 2 years 5.58 and 1 year you get 5.98. Again, there's no monthly fees here, guys, no monthly plan option. And this is true for other normal shared hosting providers as well, like SiteGround. They also do yearly plan, and this will actually shock you because NoFrills Cloud actually provides monthly plan, and I paid monthly price. So for those who prefer monthly pricing, NoFrills Cloud is a no-brainer for that purpose. I actually prefer monthly pricing because you never know which host actually goes down suddenly or something better comes up. So I just love to pay monthly so that I can always move out and don't get stuck with the hosting. So that's just my preference. Let me know in the comments which you prefer. And in NameHero we see that it actually gives us an option to choose backup, and I'm actually surprised because it should give me backup option, but it says no backup, and then I have to select backup and I have to pay extra money for that. Would you like to add automatic malware scanning with file cleanup? Again, does not shares what technology they are using, but if I press yes, it's gonna add a 5 USD. That is crazy, which is already what you get for free in NoFrills Cloud. So my total is 110 USD per year. So this actually locks me on a yearly plan. So I just want to tell you that I am not sponsored or paid by NoFrills Cloud at any cost. I'm just genuinely sharing this company because I tried them out, and in shared hosting I really liked them. But I don't even use shared hosting, as I already told you like 100 times that I prefer hosting all my sites in my own VPS, so I don't even use them. So I'm not affiliated with them. In fact, I don't even have an affiliated link. Let's see whether actually they have an affiliate program or not. It seems like they have an affiliate program and they give us 10% recurring commission. Nah, I don't even want these commissions. I just wanted to generally share. So yeah, just nofrills.com. You can just search it on your own. I won't even give any link in the description. I'm not affiliated. I don't want affiliate link. I don't want affiliate commissions. But I just wanted to share for everyone who wants to still use shared hosting and are looking for a good shared hosting provider that actually provides light speed. So this is what I recommend. You get the most bang for your buck here, most transparency. You get Immunify 360 and providers like AWS, DigitalOcean, Linode. So this is amazing, and you can choose from various data centers. And one more feature that it actually gives you monthly billing plan. This is not something that everyone would prefer, but if you are like me, I really prefer that, so I'll add that to the features list as well. So yeah, that's my conclusion. Feel free to go ahead and use their promo code trial to get 90% off. I actually tried this promo, it works, it gave me a 90% off. So I actually paid $1 for the first month. That is amazing. So you can pay just $1 and try out for the entire month. Let me know if you like it or not after 30 days, because I'm really curious to know if you really liked it or not. And just go ahead guys, try it out on a staging website for just $1 a month. Just try out and let me know if you like it in the comments section. This is it for today's video, and subscribe for the upcoming anti-malware video, because that would be really amazing. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.